This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 9 of chapter graphics in GW basic programming language. So it's a program and we have executed this program in the last video. That was a program of 4 lines and is used to draw a line on the screen. So I'm going to interpret the execution and the compilation of this program, how this program is executed. So in line 10, CLS statement is used to clear the contents of the screen. In line 20, screen 9 is used to draw a graphical object on the screen. In line 30, line statement is used with the coordinates as x1 equal to 160, x2 equal to 0, y1 equal to 0, then x2 equal to 160 and y2 equal to 100. So this statement will actually draw a line on the screen according to the specified x and y coordinates used in the above program. In the end, line 40, end statement is used to close and terminate the main GW basic program. So this is the execution, the interpretation of the execution of the above program, how this line can be done with the help of this code. That's all viewers. Thanks for watching.